If making videos feels like juggling cameras, microphones, and your sanity at the same time, you are probably spending more time editing than actually earning. And if you are scared of showing your face on camera like it is a horror movie, I get it. Sparkclips AI says it will fix all of that. No filming, no actors, no robot voices. Just click, create, cash in. Let's find out if it is real magic or just another pretty dashboard with zero results. What's up? Kamal here from testedapps.com. I have been messing with affiliate marketing and AI tools for more than 6 years. I have seen tools that promise to make you rich overnight, then suddenly crash harder than my first YouTube channel. Today, we are doing a real review of Sparkclips AI. I will show you what it does not do, and if it is worth your money. No fluff, no hype, just facts. Quick heads up. If you decide Sparkclips AI is for you, I have exclusive bonuses waiting for the action takers. These bonuses can help you get traffic, conversions, and clients faster. You will find the link with those bonuses below the video. What is Sparkclips AI? Sparkclips AI is a video creation software designed for people who want to make pro-level videos without cameras, without actors, and with complicated editing. You take a script, or even a random idea. The software turns it into a complete video with realistic avatars, natural voiceovers, accurate lip sync, scenes, subtitles, and music. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, courses, ads, and client work. The main promise is simple. Create studio-quality videos in minutes, pay once, profit many times. Let me break it down in 3 steps. Step 1. Enter your content. Type a topic, paste a script, or upload a video. It is easier than ordering food online. Step 2. Pick your style. Choose your avatar, choose the voice, choose the layout. No PhD required. Step 3. Edit and export. Hit generate, sip your coffee. Boom! Your video is ready before your coffee gets cold. Sparkclips literally removes camera fear, actor fees, and editing nightmares. If you ever cried into your pillow while trying to sync audio manually, you will love this part. Let us talk about what actually makes this tool useful. Because features are nice, but results matter. Hyper-realistic avatars. These avatars look more human than some customer service agents I have met. Perfect expressions, clean lip sync, they represent your brand like professionals. Multi-language dubbing. You can translate your entire video into different languages. Auto-dub, perfect sync. That means your one English video can now sell to Spanish, Italian, French, Hindi, and global markets. Global domination, zero re-recording. Human-like voiceovers. No robotic text-to-speech nonsense. Voices are natural with different tones and accents. You can even create a voice just like yours. Drag and drop studio editor. Beginners will enjoy how easy it is. Pros will enjoy how powerful it is. Subtitles, branding, motion elements. Done in minutes. No software downloads, no laptop meltdown. Your computer will thank you. The front-end price is around $17, one time. No monthly subscription. Meanwhile, other video tools charge monthly. Some cost $47 per month. Others $67 per month. That is over $800 a year. Sparkclips says nope, pay once and enjoy future updates for free. Your bank account will also thank you. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
my name is Steven. I will read any text you type here.
Experience the future of video production with AI avatars transforming text into viral videos. No need for production with AI avatars transforming text into viral videos. No need for cameras, editing skills, or actors without language barriers. Unbelievable lip.
Smith's Bakery makes every morning a delight with fresh baked goods. Been serving the community for over 30 years. Come and it as the town's favorite. Beyond bread, we offer custom cakes.
Sparkclips has optional upgrades. These are great for power users and agencies. OTO 1, D-Sparkclips Pro, $47. More features, more avatars, faster workflow. Useful if you want more creative power. OTO 2, D-Sparkclips Unlimited, $37. Unlimited videos, unlimited renders. This is my top recommendation. If you plan on selling videos or posting daily, you will need this one. OTO 3, D-Sparkclips Studio Pro, $247. Big upgrade for agencies, advanced branding and digital twin features. OTO 4, D-Sparkclips Agency Kit, $27. Client assets, marketing kits, sell easier. OTO 5, Sparkclips Social Automator, $47. Auto-publish to social platforms, perfect for people growing multiple channels. OTO 6, Sparkclips Voice Lab, $97. Voice cloning, accent switching, perfect for storytelling and global brands. OTO 7, D-Sparkclips Done For You, $97. Ready-made templates and campaigns. If you hate creating from scratch, this is your peace of mind. OTO 8, Sparkclips Traffic Booster, $67. Boost visibility, get more reach. OTO 9, D-Sparkclips Reseller, $37. Sell Sparkclips yourself, keep the profits. Great side business idea. So, I tested Sparkclips with a script from one of my YouTube promo posts. I chose a clean avatar, picked a voice that sounds 10 times better than mine. I clicked Generate. And within a few minutes, I had a video that looked like a TV presenter made it. Honestly, it felt illegal. The avatars are shockingly realistic. The lip sync made me look twice. And the editor was smoother than butter on a hot day. This is the kind of tool that saves you hours and brings you money faster, especially if you sell videos to clients. Sparkclips AI is powerful, but let's keep it real. It is not magic that prints money while you sleep. You still need ideas, you still need content. It is not for people who want to click one button and become millionaires. Also, if you enjoy sitting in front of cameras for hours and editing until sunrise, you might not need this. But if you want to create viral video content easily, this is perfect. Picture this. Instead of stressing over editing, you spend more time scaling your business. Instead of paying actors or voiceover artists, you keep the profit. Instead of posting one video a week, you post 10. And your audience thinks you run a full production studio. Meanwhile, it's just you, your laptop, and Sparkclips AI doing the heavy lifting. Launch pricing is limited. Once the timer hits 0, the higher pricing begins. If this helps you save time, make content faster, and boost your income, then it is worth grabbing while it's still cheap. Link is below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If this review helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more honest software reviews and tutorials. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. See you inside Sparkclips.